because when little voices rise, they echo far and near.
Today's spotlight beams on our little stars who turned the assembly stage into a canvas of festival feelings and fun.
They begin with the charm of Raksha Bandhan, tiny threads tied with big hearts, wrapping love, care, and sibling protection into every knot.
And oh, the natural sight to behold Janmashtami with little Krishna's stealing hearts and Radha's dancing in ripple of peacock color, spreading joy all around.
It wasn't just an assembly, it was a festival of emotions, a celebration of culture, and a stage of stories brought alive by our youngest achievers.
So stay tuned to Miniverse,
Where every sparkle of school life finds its voice.
Hello and welcome to Twin Times, the news beat where the voices shine the brightest.
Today we take you inside a journey that proves our school doesn't just shape minds, it strengthens bodies, builds character and polishes spirit.
Because here, education isn't only about books and exams. It's about holistic growth where every skill matters and every talent counts.
From Zumba classes that energize us with rhythm and fitness to martial art that bring agility, courage and discipline, each step builds strength inside and out.
Together, they remind us that true learning isn't just about what we know, but also about who we become.
And that is what makes this Twin Time Stories so special. Every move dance, every kick practice is a step toward confidence, resilience and good health.
Stay tuned to Twin Times, news that inspires.
Stories that celebrate and voices that truly shine.
Welcome to Senior School, the segment where voices of true leaders inspire future leaders.
Today, we feature Major Chaya Korwal, a permanent NCC officer whose career reflects service, discipline, and pride.
Commissioned in 2006, she earned the prestigious DGNCC Plaque of Honor and proudly represented India in the Youth Exchange Program in UK.
In an engaging interview with our students Vaibhav Lalwani, Vivan Charan, Akshita Vishnoi and Charvi Sankla, she shared powerful lessons on focus, courage and discipline.
We thank Major Korwal for igniting young minds with inspiration.
Her journey teaches us to serve with honor, strive with discipline and shine with purpose.
This was Senior School.
Where today's leader lights the path for tomorrow.
Welcome to the Spotlight, your window into the most memorable moment of BZS school. Today we take you back to a celebration that filled our campus with ultimate pride, joy and color.
The tricolor swayed with breeze and the air rang with the song of freedom. Every heart in BZS beats with pride.
Yes, that was a scene when our school recently came alive to celebrate the spirit of freedom on Independence Day.
Our tiny tots and other students brought the stage to life with patriotic songs, vibrant dances and inspiring speeches that filled the hall with emotion.
And alongside the celebration of freedom, we also took a moment to celebrate excellence through the Wings of Honor Awards.
These awards proudly recognize our shining stars for their remarkable achievements.
Truly, it was a day where freedom's pride and wings of success soared high in BZS sky.
Stay tuned and see you soon.